So if you clicked on this video, you're likely looking for hair growth tips, or your barber screwed your hair up and you want your hair to grow back quickly. So here's what I typically do as one of the most important steps if I'm looking for length retention or hair growth. So I typically will always make sure to never skip deep conditioning. To me, that is one of the most important steps, and anytime I do some sort of list, I'm always gonna have deep conditioning on there.
Taste of your body, cause it helps me so. I like to wrap my tongue around the words that I don't know. I feel the roses, tell me where the black one go. I need to focus, switching up the status quo. I like the taste.
So deep conditioning can provide you with a bunch of moisture, especially after you use products like shampooing, which strips your hair of its natural oils and moistures. It helps to give your hair nutrients, strengthens your hair, and improves its elasticity, which will reduce breakage, split ends, stop your hair from snapping. It'll make your hair just easier to manage in general, make it shinier, healthier overall. It is going to help you retain the length of your hair. So here's what I typically do for deep conditioning. If you do this step, I promise you your hair will maintain length and your hair will continue to grow. This is what I did when I went from a shorter hairstyle to a longer hairstyle. That's what was one of the biggest things that helped me grow my hair out. So to start off, you want to make sure you're starting on clean hair. You want to wash out any of the product that you used during your previous wash or added in, just so you can have a clean slate. So like I said, some shampoos can be harsh to the hair. The product that I'm using is the Way Detox shampoo, which it does cleanse my hair quite a bit and leave my hair super clean, but it doesn't really moisturize my hair. So I go in with the Shea Moisture Deep Moisturizing Mask to give my hair back that moisture and just to give it some nourishment. So honestly, the application for deep conditioning is really no different than shampooing right off the bat, but there are other things that you can do to sort of assist this process of deep conditioning to get all the benefits out of the product. So you can just go in, just apply it like it's a shampoo, and that's that. If you have hair that is on the longer side, then maybe you want to take this step to start detangling your hair, and this will also help you evenly distribute the product across your head, because you want to make sure that this is getting from your roots to ends, because those are the hairs on your head that have been around the longest and need the most assistance. I typically do this by finger detangling, or I just use a wide tooth comb just to distribute the product and detangle my hair. Once that's done, then I usually just pin my hair back and just go on with the rest of my shower and just let the heat from the shower help influence my hair cuticles to open and absorb that product. Now, if you're someone who has lower porosity hair, maybe more heat can be helpful in you getting this product into your head. I have high porosity hair, so I don't typically do this, but if you have lower porosity hair, then you can also use a hair cap. Or if you don't feel like buying anything, because Lord knows no one wants to, then you can just use a plastic bag from shopping, from the things that you've already bought, and then just use that to help trap your body heat and the heat from the shower to create an atmosphere on your head to help influence the hair cuticles to open up and accept that product so it can soak into your hair. This will help you get more benefit out of that deep conditioner. And all you would have to do next is just sit and wait for the desired amount of time for that product to sit in your hair to get all the benefits from it. Another thing you can also do is just use a blow dryer, or you can use a hooded dryer to sort of give yourself more heat, just to help influence the hair shaft to open up and accept that product, just to get more benefits out of the deep conditioner. Next, what I typically do is just rinse the product out on cold water, and that just closes up the hair shaft and traps up the moisture in your hair and the nutrients that you just got from that product. And that's it. That's all I do to deep condition. And just adding this one step into your hair gives your hair all the benefits I discussed, on top of helping you retain the length if you're trying to grow out your hair or you just want your hair to be overall healthier. So if you did enjoy this quick hair growth tip, then please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
She's such a poser, changing like it's night and day. But if you know her, you will never hear her say, I tore apart myself to